Yeah, Run Beezy here. Alright, to update everybody, I got a new car. Another Civic, yeah. A red one of that too, but this car is strictly a donor car. Just using it for parts. So the car came with an engine and spun bearing, so that's not good to me. But it came with a manual gearbox and it's a 2000, so that's another plus. Mainly what I wanted is the gearbox mounting bracket and a couple other interior parts and engine parts. But besides that, just scrapping it out and sell other parts or keep them if anything. So just keep on updated, making know what's going on. Yeah, we got some big things coming on, so just keep watching the Beezy way, you understand? Can't forget about the vlogs, blood. Yeah, Run Beezy here with another vlog, the Beezy way, yo. There by the shop, scrapping out a couple of cars, but bare parts we looking for, you understand? Showing up what going on and what been going on, cause yo, man been slacking off. I've been too busy, man dirty. But yo, the Beezy way, you understand? We coming back. Fun to remember this car, yeah? Of course I'm gonna remember this. This is the Beezy, you understand? See that? The Beezy way. We're repping it to the fullest. This bitch got it right now too. Yeah, she got it. Big fucking trim pieces and panels and shit. Scrapping out this, you know. Yeah, taking everything out. And you done see what's going on. Yeah, he caught me sick. Rainy season came on, you know, so yeah, boy, gonna take out the dashboard. I done take out a bunch of pieces off it, the inside and stuff. I don't show none of that. But yeah, boy, gonna scrap this bitch out. You know, she spin bearings and plus I don't want her. I just want her for parts if you want. And my boys over, you know. I reckon I'm boy cool. Yeah. All type of scrapping going on. At the chop shop, Napa chop shop.
Hey boy, now you gotta tell the people instead of. Mash up.
The car on, this one, yeah.
Which one?
This one.
Switch off the ignition, the kiss.
This one.
One way there.
That's funny, doing the two red cars, two purple cars, and each one of each scrapping. Red, purple, purple. Yeah, that's gonna have to be the thumbnail, but hold on, let me try to get a good picture. Yeah, junk everywhere. I wasn't videoing when I did this, but I took out the side pieces, top, side piece right here, the cluster, the housing for it, all this shit, the console, everything out. So, you know, I just trying to take out the dash. This thing is, some of these screws being bitches. Some of them not even been, these things probably ain't been touched from the day they were made. It's my first time taking out a cluster, to be honest, so everything I do I'm just learning as I go. I'm just finding where go where, what goes what, you know. Alright, got it out. And take out the blower motor and all that fuckers and all too. Yeah, had enough. I'm going to park this piece of junk up and dip.
No, what you say, you want this?
Oh,
This not good enough.
I'm gonna go with the RPM. I don't use it anyway, so put it up in here. I shift by hearing, not by sight. Set up what?
Yes. Cool.
What you talking about? Only thing I gonna set up is one shower and my black cloth bed sheets. Set up that Netflix. Gonna put this bitch on. I think I took enough off for today. So yesterday we basically scrapped the whole interior.
Yeah, lock them.
Put one next in there and go breakers. Just tell them to lock me up after I get about 3 runs on the truck. Alright, so everybody know my car had an overheating problem, so got my brother need to fix it and then turn down the RPM a little bit. So yeah, we on the road again.
Yeah, I'm busy here.
Yeah, we down Mexico. In Mexico. I bought a race on Altezza still. Yeah. I probably lose or not. I don't really care if I lose or not. I just want racing, but yeah, we gonna see. Yeah, see how it goes on up. Blood clot. Yo, one BM just fly across, bro. Sure. Where the fuck these man is? They not come out all now, but yeah, racing with Altezza, you know. So yeah, that Altezza pound me up still, but I was expecting it. So no biggie. You know, single to a Beans motor, even though he car kinda dead for what it is. But yeah, I just wanna race, but bored. Well yeah, end the vlog, yeah.